Hello, I'm Mel at Kendall Ford. Today I'm going to show you how to retrieve your secret door code in your new 2022 Ford Edge. Say you want to go fishing and want to leave your keys in the car but don't remember your door key code, I'm going to show you how to retrieve that. In order for this to work, you're going to need 2 working key fobs. Take the first key fob and place it at the bottom of your center console facing up. It has to sit in the backup slot in the bottom of your console. And then press the start button once without touching the brake or gas. Wait for the vehicle to ding 4 times, and then hit the start button one more time to turn your vehicle off. Then remove the first key fob and insert the second key fob into the center console in the same spot as the first one. Then push the start button again, and the door access code should appear on the left-hand side of your driver's console within a couple seconds. And there you go. You'll be able to use that code to get back into your vehicle. For more on Ford, subscribe to our YouTube channel, visit our showroom on Goodpasture Island Road, or check out our website at kendallford.com. Kendall, let's start something great.